It is safe to say that this week was one of my best trading week this year because I won twice, lost once, had a break even, yeah. But I could have won three times, but I could have avoided that loss, but something happened on Thursday. But it happens. It has happened. It has happened. I think the main reason why, because undergoing a challenge right now. So I think the main reason why, because I was on the buy on gold, but then I later changed my bias to sell. But I think I don't know for what reason what made me change. Just like few seconds, I just like changed my bias. I feel like the reason my instinct, I don't know what happened that day. I don't know, but I feel like it was just trying to test my psychology. How well can I control my emotions? Because after I lost, a lot of things were battling in my head. I was like, I was correct. I was actually correct, but what happened? Why did I change my bias? But I thank God I was able to control my emotions, and the rest is history. So I won on Friday. Yeah. So now let's take a look at this. On Monday I didn't trade. Tuesday, one win, break even. Didn't trade on Wednesday. Thursday, lost. On Friday, I won. So yeah, this is the setup I have on Friday. Yeah, so straight to TP. So now let's look at the outlook for next week. I don't want. Let me use um a clear chart because there's something I'm seeing on something I'm seeing. Yeah. So currently, what am I looking at is this big accumulation. Remember, when we see accumulation like this, there's always a big move towards after. I mean, now we have taken out like sell side liquidity, right? Same goes on the buy side. So I think price is just still consolidating. So it is safe to say that we're still consolidating because we have taken out both liquidities, right? But we've taken out the more liquidities on the the buy side liquidity than the sell side liquidity. I don't know if you understand. Like we've taken out more profitable sellers than profitable buyers because we still have a strong low here, but the high here we've taken the high of this particular range. Yeah. So yeah, this is still a valid monthly bearish candle, right? Well, let's look at the weekly. What are we seeing on the weekly? Price did remember, like I said, this is a strong low because price expected this low. We had an inducement, right? But what happened on the buy side? Price took out a major high, right? Price took out a major high, right? Now there's a breaker structure. Now retracement into the zone, right? We've taken out liquidity here, essential liquidity. So there's a possible buy. That's what I was looking for this week, but it never happened. So remember, for the analysis for last week, I was expecting price to like retrace into the zone before selling, but price was just consolidating for the week. So currently, we were still reacting on this demand zone, right? We've taken out a low already. So yeah, 4 hours. What am I looking at? We've taken out. Remember, this is the demand zone on the daily. 4 hours. Taking out the low, the highest to valid. It was just a sweep. So I need to see price like sweep inside of this stuff here. Then we'll hit this before like reacting on this. Yeah, so next week, still like I said last week, I was big on buys for DXY, but let's see what happen next week. So what I'm expecting is a retracement into this zone. We have to fair value gap, right? Else we just like I will just react on this fair value gap here. So we are looking for pips. We are not like trend buyers or something. So price is giving us a sell pattern. Obviously, we are going to take it. The pips that we're looking for. So one of these two is going to happen next week. So yeah, that's it for DXY. So gold has created an all-time high. To be all honest, I'm seeing a possible sell for next week because since we have taken out the buy side liquidity, obviously price is going to come back for liquidities that were formed during the break of structure. So those are internal liquidities. So now from this guy to this guy is a range, right? From this guy to this guy is a range. So now let's look for liquidity in between those range. So we have a fair value gap here. We have a demand zone. So look for possible supply zone. Market will react on next week for a sell. So this is a consumer entry. So this was a supply zone that was broken, came back, retested. So yeah, because I wouldn't want to like say okay, let's now this is tricky. I would say okay because as of last week I was saying I wanted to sell immediately, but sometimes go when a new week open, they just like to do a run on liquidity. I wouldn't want to say okay, let's sell from here. But now, what if I say okay, now let's sell from up here. Now you just see go now start to sell immediately. So stop price action this year itself. I don't even understand. But just keep your fingers, your eyes open. I mean, anything can happen. But I would like to see price like come back into this zone before like selling to react on this um, fair value gap or this demand zone. But if we go on the higher time frame, we are looking. Let's look at 4 hours. Okay, okay. Price has like done the retracement on this fair value gap. So okay, we still have a fair value gap here on 4 hours. So just keep your your eyes open. I mean, any of the zone, you can see them. So yeah. So next week big on. I'm not big on. Sorry, it's just a market correction before continuation. So let's look at what goal would happen in any of these zone. This, this. So before going to the upside. Else we might just be selling. I don't know, but I have a strong feeling that we are going to be buying. This market is bullish, is strong bullish right now on gold. So yeah, but I'll be selling maybe from Monday on or Tuesday, then before looking for possible buys. So that's it for gold. Now, what am I seeing on BTC? Now, for me to look BTC, I had a setup that okay. So, so the monthly price is reacting, like I said, price is reacting on a monthly fair value gap, right? The weekly price is reacting on a volume imbalance, right? If you look, and on the 4 hours, you can see price is still reacting on a volume imbalance right now. Sorry, that was yesterday. So I was saying if price break this, like close above this guy, that tells me okay, price is coming for this buy side liquidity. Else, price will be selling. You get so like I said, I'm expecting a reaction on this fair value gap before buying. Right now, let's look at what BTC is saying currently on the 30 minute that I drew. That I So price is still currently at the fair value gap, and mind you, we are not going to see a possible reaction on maybe Saturday. Saturdays are very slow on BTC. Maybe Sunday evening, and then I can be very certain of what price is doing or what the price action is telling us to do. So yeah. So if I am saying I want to like sell off gold before buying, I'll still be looking at BTC for still a positive, but somehow they correlate. So I'll still be looking for somehow like a positive sell on BTC. Now, currently, price is reacting on the break and block now on the 4 hour. I'm just seeing this stuff now. It's reacting on the 4 hours. So if there's a way, if BTC can like take out, give me a sweep on liquidity, at least maybe this, because we have completed the buy side liquidity. Sorry, a market. Sorry, market maker. What's MMBN? What's the full meaning of market maker buy model? Yeah. So yeah, I think we've completed the buy side, yeah, the liquidity. So I need price to take out at least the sell side. So since I'm looking for a short sell on gold, I might still be looking for a possible sell on BTC. At least give me like a rate on sell side liquidity then before looking for a buy. So currently I'm big on buys on what's it called, BTC, because we've taken out the low of last month. So this will be a bullish candle before the end of the month, just like stuff like this, right? Then for you to see a valid bullish order block, you need to see something like a black candle, then a green candle above it. So, stay safe and stay blessed.